Okay, as you can see, we are outside in what is obviously a very major blizzard. We're going to get into the car and we're going to go around the town. We're going to check out the college to see if it's available. So, okay, let's see if we can make it into this car. Okay, alrighty, okay, we did it, guys. We did it. Okay, we made it to Burger King. As you can see, the blizzard is in full force. It's hitting my face. It feels like pinprick needles hitting my face. Luckily, Burger King was open. The window was frozen, so we had to pry it open. Now, we're going back home, and I can't feel my face. Okay, I safely made it home. Burger King in hand. Onion ring. So good. We made it safe and alive. This is, of course, the Great Blizzard of 2010. And, okay, we'll see you guys later. Bye. This is Jacques Cousteau in the Great Blizzard of 2010. This is how much snow is piled up outside of our door. There you can see the car. Here's the door. That is bigger than my hand. Bigger. Let's look. It's bigger than a pink flip-flop. You are looking at the Great Blizzard of 2010 in Cookeville, Tennessee. There is my roommate who you cannot see her face, trying to dig out her car as it is iced over.
Better not put that on YouTube.
I'll block out your face or something. Her car looks like a something or other. I predict she is not going to be able to get out onto the street because of ice. We will follow her moves. You are listening to the most annoying sound in the world. Ice scraping a window. It's like nails on a chalkboard. The adventure of traveling approximately a half a mile in the snow to Tennessee Technical University is underway. Her windshield wipers are now working, but her windshield is ice. I do not think she can even see out of the window. Here she goes, ladies and gentlemen. She's attempting to pull out of the parking lot that is all ice and snow. She's going to get trapped. I can just tell. Can she make it? Just haven't eaten much today, at least the room. Sorry, bad rent. Alright, let's see if she can make it. And she did, except she turned the wrong way, because school's that way.